At Steward, we are proud that we emphasize the importance of play. We have recess and breaks across all 3 divisions, and we work hard to protect these times for all of our students because we know that recess and breaks provide opportunities for your brain to not only rest, but also to process all of the content your teachers are going through. We know that you deserve downtime, but you also deserve play. Play allows all students to take risks in a safe environment, practice decision-making and problem-solving skills, make mistakes and learn from them, and build confidence, independence, and perseverance. But play isn't just for our youngest students, not at all.
Welcome to the Steward School Playground!
The Steward School is pleased to share information about the Ingrid Moore Champions of Play Award, which her family created to honor her legacy. Mrs. Moore's greatest gift to Steward was the unwavering priority she gave to children of all ages and teachers whose vision led them to create unconventional opportunities for students. The fundamental insight that motivated her is that play leads to learning that lasts a lifetime.
To play is to wonder and to risk, to stretch and discover. It is to be astonished by oneself and others, by beauty and by the utter joy in the worlds around them. Integral to Mrs. Moore's focus on students was her keen attention to championing the adults who teach and support and protect them.
The Ingrid Moore Champions of Play Award will be given annually to a Steward faculty member from any division who has incorporated play in a project or installation, course, or curriculum. The award will be announced during Faculty Work Week, and the name of each year's recipient will be embossed on a plaque and displayed on campus. The Ingrid Moore Champions of Play Award will be supported by an endowed fund established by contributions made to the Steward School in Mrs. Moore's honor.
When Karen and Paco first came to us with this idea of an award honoring Ingrid for faculty in terms of how they celebrate and use play, it struck me as perfect, the perfect way to honor Ingrid. If you saw her at carpool, if you saw her at recess, if you saw her interacting with a child in distress, if you saw her hugging kids, if you saw her hugging faculty or interacting with faculty in distress, you know that play was core to her being. Play was at the heart of the educational process. Play was teaching and learning. Play was the means by which she tempted those kids into the world. So they were learning, but they didn't understand that they were learning. It didn't feel like class, it didn't feel like school. It felt like fun and it felt like play, and they were making huge progress.
This award is such a wonderful way to honor Ingrid because it helps keep the spirit of who Ingrid is and was at the forefront of our community, and provides a fundamental connection to the spirit of what she thought was so important, which was helping people to be the best versions of themselves that they can. And play helps us bring that out in each other.